What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to create a Clickworker account. Let's get straight into the video. What is Clickworker? So Clickworker utilize crowd knowledge to source expertise and availability of hundreds of thousands of Clickworkers to deliver fast, efficient projects to your company. So here your virtual workforce or demand worldwide. So Clickworker offers a scalable solution in areas of database for machine learning, SEO content service, text creation, categorization and tagging, survey, web research, customer insight from POS and product details. Here you can just read about them, go through their page, read about them, have a clear understanding about what Clickworker is all about. So here with Clickworker, you can easily create your audio or video or image data sets and transfer them to you from anywhere in the world. It also serves as a micro worker website where you can complete offers and earn money. So it's kind of simple. Here you have your case studies. Then you can also read to see what Clickworker, what it does apart from you earning money with them. So here let's go ahead and create an account with them. So let's go ahead and click on register. So you register, you can either create an account for a customer or for Clickworker. So let's go ahead and click for Clickworkers and click on it. You put in your gender, they put in your title, your first name, your last name. Do make sure that you put your role name, because later on I will be making a video to show you how to earn money with Clickworker. So just put your information, then you, after filling your information, they click continue. Then but since I don't have an account, just go ahead and I'll sign in with them. So it's simple. So when you come here you can see here we have your jobs, we have job history, we have assessments. So with this assessment, that's if you only want to start making money with Clickworker, you have to complete this assessment before you are able to start making. So you can here you have your personal, you have your profile, you can just go through them. These are your payment details which you have to complete when you want to receive your payment. Here you can start earning money with Clickworker for completing tasks here. So here these are some few tasks that you can start participating and start earning with them. Here become a partner of our team, of our supported team. And here you can also start earning money by app testing. So here when you test apps, the more apps you test, the more you start earning with them. So let's just go to details here. So here we have this amount of jobs that we have about this amount of jobs, help train an authentic application. You just have to click on start here, then start earning. I don't want to go deep into it, I just want to focus on how to create an account with Clickworker. So but later on I'll make a video that will show you on how to earn money by using Clickworker. And here you can also join the UHRS, which there's a lot of offers for you to complete. So here you can also invite a friend and you earn a commission. So you can see, do you have a friend or acquaintance who might be interested in working at Clickworker? They recommend us. For each new Clickworker you get to join, you will get a referral bonus to the sum of €5 as soon as the new Clickworker earns and get paid out of €10 euros. So this is easy, you just refer your friends. So as I said earlier on, later on I'll create a video showing you how to make money with Clickworker. It's as simple as that. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.